Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car cleaning kits that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the ViewSun Car Cleaning Kit, a versatile option designed for interior and exterior detailing. One of its standout features is the inclusion of a high-power handheld vacuum with 8,000 PA suction power, which excels at picking up dust, food crumbs, and pet hair. The vacuum's 15-foot cord and multiple attachments, such as a slot pipette and extension hose, make it ideal for reaching tight spaces. The kit also comes with tools like cleaning gels for nooks and crannies, detailing brushes, and a windshield cleaner with a swiveling triangular head for hard-to-reach areas. The design quality is solid, with tools stored in a durable Oxford storage bag for easy organization. While the vacuum performs well for small debris, it may struggle with larger messes. The microfiber towels and brushes are soft yet effective, making this set suitable for car owners who want a comprehensive cleaning solution without damaging delicate surfaces. Despite its strengths, the ViewSun kit has a higher price point and lacks premium materials in some components. It's best suited for those who prioritize convenience and multifunctional tools for maintaining their vehicle's cleanliness. Pros include the powerful vacuum and extensive toolset, while cons are its limited effectiveness on tough debris and unclear pricing details. Overall, it's a solid choice for light to medium car cleaning tasks. Coming in at number 4 is the Think Learn Car Cleaning Kit. Specifically designed for women, this pink-themed kit combines aesthetics with functionality. The centerpiece of this kit is its 8,000 PA high-power handheld vacuum, equipped with a washable filter and LED lighting for cleaning in dark spaces. The vacuum is complemented by a set of 7 detailing brushes, microfiber towels, duster tools, and even a windshield cleaning brush with replaceable pads. Everything is neatly packed into a stylish padded storage bag, making it portable and visually appealing. The design and build quality are impressive, with attention to detail on matching accessories and ensuring durability. The vacuum's performance is satisfactory for most interior cleaning tasks, effectively handling crumbs and dust, though it may struggle with larger debris. The brushes and towels are soft yet durable, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. It's particularly effective for maintaining a spotless interior, including air vents and dashboards. This kit is ideal for users who value aesthetics, portability, and functionality in their car cleaning tools. However, its corded vacuum may limit mobility, and the kit is slightly more focused on interior cleaning rather than exterior detailing. Pros include its thoughtful design and high-powered vacuum, while cons are its limited exterior cleaning tools and corded nature. Overall, it's a great gift option for women who love to keep their cars clean and stylish. At number 3, we have the ViewSun 17 Pieces Car Cleaning Kit in a vibrant pink design, crafted with women in mind. This kit includes a high-power handheld vacuum boasting 7,500 PA suction power, perfect for cleaning dust, pet hair, and food crumbs. Alongside the vacuum, the kit offers tools like cleaning gel, detailing brushes, microfiber towels, and a windshield cleaner with a triangular head for reaching tricky spots. The 15-foot cord on the vacuum ensures flexibility during cleaning, and all items are packed into a stylish storage bag. The build quality is decent, and the vacuum performs well for light cleaning tasks, though it offers slightly less suction power compared to other models in this list. The detailing brushes are versatile, tackling everything from air vents to dashboards, while the microfiber towels are both soft and absorbent. This kit is especially suitable for those who want a visually appealing and functional set for maintaining their car's interior. The ViewSun 17 Pieces kit is a fantastic option for light cleaning and organization, but it may fall short for users who need heavy-duty tools for exterior detailing. Pros include its comprehensive selection of tools and attractive design, while cons are its slightly lower suction power and limited focus on heavy-duty cleaning. It's an excellent choice for women who want a practical yet stylish car cleaning kit. At number 2, we have the ThinkWork Car Cleaning Kit, a comprehensive 17-piece set designed for small and medium vehicles. This kit includes premium microfiber towels, a double-sided chenille mitt for exterior cleaning, a wheel brush, tire brush, cleaning gels, and interior detailing tools, such as air vent brushes. It also features a storage box for easy organization and portability. The microfiber towels are soft yet lint-free, and the brushes are sturdy enough to handle dirt on tires without causing scratches. The design and build quality shine through in the durable materials and thoughtful tool selection, making it ideal for both interior and exterior detailing. The chenille mitt and towels excel at holding water and foam, ensuring an efficient and streak-free clean. The tire and wheel brushes are particularly effective for removing grime and restoring shine. The inclusion of tools like waxing sponges and a stone hook adds versatility to the kit. This kit is perfect for car owners who want a well-rounded set for comprehensive cleaning. While it's slightly larger and heavier than other kits, the ThinkWork set delivers exceptional value for its versatility and ease of use. Pros include its wide range of tools and premium build quality, while cons are its bulkier design and higher price point. It's a great choice for anyone looking to achieve professional-level results without breaking the bank. And finally, at number 1, we have the Armor All Protectant Glass and Cleaning Wipe Set. This budget-friendly option delivers exceptional value with 3 30-count canisters of disposable wipes designed for interior and exterior cleaning. The protectant wipes preserve your vehicle's interior surfaces by guarding against UV rays and oxidation, while the glass wipes ensure a streak-free shine on windows and mirrors. The cleaning wipes effectively lift dirt and debris without harming delicate surfaces, giving your car a detailed, polished look. The design is simple, but effective, with a compact canister format that's easy to store and use. These wipes are pre-moistened with high-quality cleaning solutions, making them incredibly convenient for quick touch-ups and routine maintenance. For users who prefer a hassle-free cleaning experience, Armor All delivers reliability and trusted performance. Priced at just $12.19, this kit is the ultimate budget option, offering excellent quality for its price. Its ideal use case is for car owners who want fast, efficient cleaning without dealing with bulky tools or setups. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and the trusted Armor All brand, while cons are the limited scope. These wipes aren't suitable for deep cleaning or heavy-duty tasks. Nevertheless, it's a fantastic option for maintaining your vehicle's shine and cleanliness on a budget. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.